Sound sleep is essential for good health and mental well-being. Drinking a glass of warm milk before bed can encourage a healthy sleep pattern. Yet many of us have trouble sleeping. Our minds just won't switch off. We are endlessly thinking about stuff. Stuff at home, stuff at work, stuff we've done, stuff we want to do. The harder we try to sleep, the more difficult it becomes. Before reaching for the pills, try this very simple mental exercise. Lie down and close your eyes gently. Imagine there is ice about 8 inches above your head. Now, imagine the coolness from the ice traveling down towards your head. It moves from the top of your head to your forehead and temples and all the way to the back of the head. Feel your head cool down as you enter a state of rest. Continue with this till you fall asleep.